Hey guys, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. We are packing up and shipping out our spring break craft crates. And before this one flies the coop, I want to give you a quick, I don't know what we would call this, a spring break craft crate unboxing video. So the first thing I want to show you is right here is our spring break craft crate instruction booklet. The booklet itself is not printed, but there's a QR code right inside the crate to get the printable or downloadable instructions. So this is a PDF that you can either save to your device if you are a Spring Break Craft Crate customer, or you can print it out like I did. Right, so there's the instructions. There are 7 cards and 4 treat boxes in this fun craft crate. Right, so I would like to unbox this with you and show you the projects that our Spring Break Craft Crate customers will be making. All right, so first thing is open it up, and right on top we've sent a thank you card, handmade, monogrammed for each of our Craft Crate recipients, and this is our thank you card. And you'll notice that it sneak peeks some really great new products. The Thoughtful Octopus stamp set and crisp cantaloupe cardstock, a sweet little thank you card handmade by me and my team. Right, and then inside are the instructions to get that instruction booklet, and QR code to download that. And then going into our craft crate here, I'm going to open up and I'm going to show you. We've got a little bit of news that we included. Our Eyelet Blooms product of the month is only $5 with a $75 order. And we think that that is worth telling the whole world about, especially our craft crate people. And then a list of all the price increases that are coming. You can stock up on great product at lower prices and then add on that product of the month to your $75 order. Very cool stuff going on right now, so we'll include that. A little bit of cushion to keep everything nice and tidy when it arrives and secure. Inside is the actual craft crate kit, and I'm going to save that for just a minute. Each of our projects has a treat, or each of our treat boxes has a treat, and we've included it. So there's our umbrella bubble wand, and inside of this, so we made this adorable little tag, and we packaged the rainbow eraser and the bunny crayons up really cute for our craft crate customers. And then the yogis for our You're the Sweetest treat box. So all the treats are included. A little additional treat, handmade treat for our craft crate customers. We've got this adorable treat box that holds a pitcher pack of lemonade. So of course we want you to make yourself a pitcher of lemonade and a nice cool drink, and gather your crafting supplies and get ready to craft. Besides the actual kit itself, which I'll show you in just a minute, we also included a little something extra, just a fun surprise. These have all been, we're giving this plenty of time for these to arrive before we're sharing this video, so it should still be, it should have been a surprise. But we've got an extra spool of ribbon. Not everybody got the same spool of ribbon. It was just a fun little extra. Your actual variety color may vary. And then we took all the designer series paper that was left after we made these kits and divided it up between each of the craft crate customers. So this is just 6x6 designer series paper that matches all the ones that we used in the projects, so that you can keep on crafting long after the craft crate is done. All right, so let me put these aside for just a minute, and I'm going to show you how we pack up our craft crate kit. And so this is our craft crate, and the craft crate makes 7 cards and 4 boxes. So inside, you're gonna see just remove each of the project kits, and you will notice that each of the project kits is numbered, all right? This is another fun little sweet thing that we made for each of our Craft Crate customers. Inside this little custom decorated by hand canister is all of the embellishments that you'll need for each of your projects. And that matches our project number 9 and 10. And we're going to start from the beginning. So project number 1 is You're the Sweetest card. And so there's the kit to make the card. Project number 2 is You're the Sweetest, the matching treat box, and that's the one where the yogis will go. All right, then project number 3 is You're Simply Fabulous with the Woolly Friends. That's a card kit. And then the Spring Break Craft Crate, project number 4 and 5 are a coordinating card and treat box. Let me show you that. So this is project number 4 and project number 5. It's a fun little slider box. This is where the little rainbow eraser, the treat box for the little rainbow eraser. All right, now we do have some color variations. I'll show you that at the end. Spring Break Craft Crate project number 6 is a cut and mix card kit. Let me show you. So this is 2 cards when there's a cut and mix template in the project sheet. So you cut your designer series paper according to the template, mix the pieces, and you get 2 cards in that kit. And then the Spring Break Craft Crate project number 7 is our little bunny crayons treat box. So here's the box that it makes, and those little crayons are inside that heart container. We included the little bunny crayons. Aren't they cute in there? They're like a little shadow box scene. So cute. All right, then project number 8 is a fun little standalone card, You're the Sweetest, featuring the sweet bugs. And then our last 2 projects, project number 9 and project number 10, match our little canister here. And that is this beautiful poppin' up card and the coordinating treat box. And this box fits that little umbrellas that I showed you earlier. All right, so let me show you a couple little color variations that we have on this. And pack this one back up. It's so beautiful. I really love this color combination of project number 9 and 10, and it inspired our sweet little canister. Lots of fun surprises were included for our Spring Break Craft Crate customers. We wanted you to feel surprised and delighted with every little thing. Let me bring that back in here and put that back in. So good. So good. We had so much fun doing this. Now, our craft crates will always be a limited production. We did 12. We will be doing more craft crates in the future. Again, they'll always be limited. Let me show you. This is our You're the Sweetest in Misty Moonlight. So some kits did get Misty Moonlight. And then Wishing You Good Things. Here is Wishing You Good Things in a couple of the other color combinations. Every kit is unique and special. All right, and then our last one to show you color variation is Popping Up. Here's the opposite Popping Up with the blue box and the pink card. All right, so you guys, I hope that that helps you understand our craft crates, because they won't be going away. We will be offering more of these craft crates, and so now hopefully this helps you to understand exactly what to expect to find inside these boxes when we offer the next one. Let's see, can I get all these in the in the screen, in the video? Maybe I can, maybe I can't. If you've got any questions about the spring break craft crates or our future craft crates, if there's anything I can do to help you stay crafty, you can email Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. And to shop Stampin' Up! 24/7, you can buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Look at all of that. All right, there it is. I finally got them in there. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you'll join us for the next craft crate. Reach out if there's anything I can do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.